Hi, this is Carlos Castro, and this is my lesson plan for shapes and solids, and this will be a comprehensive approach to geometry in English language learning. So let's start. For general unit information, this will be a lesson plan that will be focused on geometry and English in fourth grade students in institución educativa. And this will facilitate the, uh, the development of the activities planned for them. And on the ability of the students to compare basic characteristics of objects using simple sentences. Now, the goals and objectives are correlated to the Bloom's taxonomy in the three first levels. Remembering in this level we expect the students to master naming common geometry, circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles, as well as solids like cubes, spheres, cylinders, and cones in English. And the second level understands the students are expected to develop the ability to identify and recognize common geometry shapes and solids in various contexts, both visually and in real-world objects. And in the third level application of novel, we expect the students to use simple English phrases to describe basic properties of geometric figures and solids. Now, the lesson itself is divided in three sections. The first section is the warm-up activity, in which the students will identify real-world objects within the classroom to call out their shapes in English. In the second part of the class, that is the development of the lesson, it's itself divided in three parts. The opening will introduce the students to the vocabulary. The second part will be a listening point show, in which the students will hear the name of the solid or the figure, and he will be point or show what the teacher or another student is talking about. The third part of this development is the describe the describing of the shape on solid, and the students are expected to describe these figures, these geometric figures, with few effective words, such as a square has four sides. And for the final activity in this development, there will be an action activity in which the students will correlate which definition or which name are correlated to the visual figure. To for another activity within this development, it's an alternative activity is a shape hunt, in which the students will explore the classroom, or maybe they will review a video clip identifying objects with specific shapes. For closure, we have a quick review and homework, in which the teacher will briefly reiterate the shapes and solids learned linked to their descriptions. There will be some homework in which the students are expected to identify shapes at home and writing at least one descriptor in basic English. Well, this was my lesson plan. I hope you have enjoyed it. we'll see you in another opportunity.